Or how long does an order of protection last?
1 year. And the judge can do a minimum of 180 days, all the way up to 10 years. Most common is 1 year.
Okay.
And they can do 1 year with an automatic renewal for 1 year. And then in cases like I previously said that are very egregious, they can do it up to 10 years if they make certain written specific findings. But the common time period is 1 year.
1 year. So and it doesn't loosen the restraints of that.
No, I mean, that's a court order that, like I said, prohibits you from communicating in any medium through any third party, from contacting that person, disturbing their peace, going near them. You know, there's cases where, you know, you might have children on the same soccer team. You know, I've seen all of that where, hey, I can't go to my kid's soccer game now because this other parent filed this order of protection and our kids play on the same soccer team or they're in the same school, you know, and I can't go to the bus stop because I know. And so, you know, while the person may not want any contact communication anyway, it could just, it can impede their own life depending on the dynamic of who filed this. You know, a lot of times family members file these. You'll see it common within families, not just husband, wife, or boyfriend, girlfriend, but, you know, brother-in-law or cousin or son. I've seen them all. You know, okay, now how do you navigate Thanksgiving? You know, I can't be there because so-and-so is going to be there. Or you see these in small towns. You know, we represent folks all across Missouri, you know, where, hey, there's only 3 restaurants, bars in town. And I have an order that says I can't go around John Smith. Well, John Smith, you know, frequents these spots. Now that, I mean, so it impedes my own life and my own enjoyment and of where I can maybe go, especially, like I said, when you're in these small towns.
And Steve, how does the law work on that? Meaning if someone has a full order of protection of you, or someone has a full order of protection against you, and you bump into them at church or the grocery store.
I mean, you have an obligation to leave. I always tell my clients, I mean, you can't predict where somebody's going to be, you know, so if you have an order of protection against me, judge signed it, it's in a place for 1 year, and you're walking through Straub's, and, you know, I'm in there toting my cart along, well, I see you. This is a one-way street. You don't have to leave. You're the one with the order of protection against me. It's my obligation. I'm the one that has court orders saying I can't be around you. So, you know, I'd have to up and leave.